Doomsday Plain English Project by Salahuddin, Jamshed and Mansur Khan. Hello everyone, today we are going to show you 3 scenarios of Doomsday. Our first scenario is global warming. The causes of global warming are when factories float, they pollute air. Factories pollute the air through fossil fuel emissions. These emissions include carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide. Combustion creates these toxic pollutants. Cars pollute the air from CO2 runoff from the exhaust. When a car travels, the fuel is burned off, producing the carbon dioxide, which as steam rises into the atmosphere, which is why they use catalytic converters to stop it from leaving the car. Now you can see how those things affect. Okay, let's look here. Earth and atmosphere has CO2 and H2O that don't let sunlight to go out, so smoke from the cars and factories adds CO2 that destroys balance. The sea levels will go up because of a melting of ice. If the global warming happens, we will have less water in some places. The weather is going to increase, so our life would be hard. Do you want to learn more about global warming? Then watch this movie, Global Warming Rising Storms. This is about melting of ice because of hot weather. If you like to read, there is a book called Too Hot to Handle Global Warming. This is a very good book. Our second doomsday scenario is reversal of Earth's magnetic fields. The Earth and South poles create magnetic fields. If the poles will move, then we will not have magnetic fields. You may say, why we need magnetic fields? If there will be no more magnetic fields, then the heat from the sun will burn the Earth, so the Earth's magnetic field shields from dangerous solar radiation. As we know, it happened 780 years ago. If it happens again, then the space rocks or asteroids will hit the Earth and will kill all living things. As you know, the magnetic fields are part of our gravity. If there are no magnetic fields, then there will not be gravity and air to breathe. If you want to learn more about it, there is a book called Magnetic Fields of World that explains everything what will happen. If you want to know more, there is a movie called Without Magnetic Fields. It is a really cool movie. You will learn a lot from this movie. Our last scenario is flood basalt volcanism. It happened before and killed all the dinosaurs. You can see how it killed dinosaurs. It was a giant volcano that caused by change of temperature. It happened 250 million years ago. This giant volcano is now in Hawaii, but the last volcano eruption happened in Iceland. You can see it was the most famous and active volcano, which has erupted 18 times since 1104, the last time in 2000. Other active volcanoes measured in terms of number of eruptions besides Hekla. To know more about flood basalt volcanism, read the book Giant Volcano Created the Lake. After reading this book, you will know everything about flood basalt volcanism. There are another book called Volcano. This book will tell you how the giant volcano happens. Thank you for taking your time and watching our video. We hope these things will never happen, but it could. Don't forget to subscribe. We hope you enjoyed our plain English project.